Wah! What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Rocket Power. You got your boy Rocket. You got your boy Cracker Zach behind the camera. We are on a road trip today to go pick up the transmission for the GTO. They got it done. We did, what did we take it in last week? Is that when we took it in? Week before last? Something like that? Before Christmas. We dropped it off before Christmas. The guys called me the next day and said, hey man, we got it done. But with Christmas holidays and the shop being busy, I couldn't pick it up until today. So it is Friday. It is Transmission Friday. So we're gonna go pick it up, try to get back. Who knows? We may get back and put it in. I don't know. Stick with us and let's take this trip. All right, so we rolling up over here to TDP. Gotta pick up the transmission for the GTO. I'm trying to back up here. Zach, take the camera so I don't hit nothing. Wham! Oh boy. Yep. This is all built up. New set. Look at that. It actually makes a full rotation. All right, guys. Got the transmission. It's in the bed of the truck. We're leaving TDP. Headed back to Waco. Try to get this transmission put in today. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. If not, we'll definitely get it put in tomorrow. Back in the shop. Got the GTO here. We went. Got the transmission over there. There's Zach. Say hi, Zach. Hey. Got the transmission over there. So now we gotta move the 260, get it out of the way, transmission's out of it, we're waiting on it to get rebuilt, put the GTO up on the rack, put the transmission back in it, put some fluid in it, get the drive shaft and everything put back in it, and then we go for a test drive in the GTO. So stick with us.
It's just a transmission kind of week, huh?
It's a training week.
There. I should have opened this before I did this. I always do that. So keep this open.
Right.
Then plug your switches in. Oh. Done.
GT-ho. Hey, check the oil on this thing.
She's back. Let's just ignore that. Listen how quiet she is up here.
Here we go. All right, guys, got an update on the GTO. Y'all want to hear it? This thing sounds gnarly. Got the transmission back in. Sun gun sounds good. Y'all saw all that. Sorry about the wind noise if it's windy, guys. My bad. But do a little startup video for you. I don't know if I want to put the camera down, if I want to hold it. I think I'm just going to hold it. This is a cold start. I haven't driven it in a little bit. It's a cold start. So. I don't know if you could tell, but we went down and got some exhaust work done to it. We've completely straight piped the car. That's it. It's got full MagnaFlow exhaust on it, guys, but what we did was we ended up taking the muffler off and straight piping the whole car. Sounds really good at idle. Gets kind of rowdy up in the high RPMs. I like it. I don't know. I like it. So, anyways, but pretty cool update. We got some new shoes for the GTO. You wanna check them out? Got some new welds for it. So that's gonna be the next thing that we do to the GTO. I'm not sure if we're gonna get them put on pretty, real quick. We've got a lot of work to do around here, around the shop. So I gotta quit playing with my toys and get some work done for the customers' cars. But anyways, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, leave a comment, and hit that little notification bell. Guys, it really helps us out. Like I said in the last video, I really want 2020 to be our year to where we do something that I've always wanted to do, I've always dreamed of doing. I love giving back. I really, really love giving back. And so what I want to do, guys, is I want to be able to give a car away, or I would love to be able to give a substantial amount of money away. But it takes you guys. And so far, for the guys that have subscribed and watch our channel, thank you so much. Man, we greatly appreciate it. We started this channel mid part of last year, and it's grown for me. It seems like it's grown, pretty well. But I would love to reach that milestone to where we're able to do something big and give back. So hit the notification button, hit that subscribe button, and let us know. Anyways, until next time, guys, we out.